Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800f080a that your device is missing important security and quality fixes. There are problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, open it. Go to other troubleshooters and go to Windows Update Troubleshoot to run guys. Check for Windows Update issues detected. If you are having same issue detected, go ahead and on left side Windows Update, click on it and check for updates, click on it guys. If you're having any update listed here, you go ahead and update it everything. And if you not get resolved this problem, let's jump straight into it. Let's fix the issue guys. Let's move on to the next step. Go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, click yes guys. Now check my video description for this command guys. Copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this verification 100% complete guys, go and copy the second command. You just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter guys. The first command is used for system file checking utility guys. This verification 4% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it and need to complete it. After that, go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Your problem has been resolved. Thank you.